Today we will discuss the advanced problem based on the logarithm. Logarithm already completed chapter and is a basic and identities all are already completed. So now we start the some advanced problem based on the logarithm. So now see that if is given now is question is given is a question is 2024 advanced question. So now question is given a is equal to 3 root 2 and b is given 1 by 5 power 1 by 6 and root 6 and x and y belongs to R, and see that is some two equation is given and put that value of a is in this there, and its b value same is put there, and after is find the x and y terms is 4x plus 5y. If you see, then basically a value you can put there and firstly simplify this one, then maybe is a constant term. After that same is b value you can put there and find the value log values, and after that is two equations and two equation and two unknown easily solved. So first one is I'll just deal with this one. Now see that is given log a is meaning is 3 root 2 and is 18. So can you see that is 18? If your 18 is if you put that is 3 root 2 terms, then you see that can you see that is 9 into 2, and 9 into meaning is 3 and root 2 whole squares, and is root 2 3 root 2, then its meaning is can you return that is a 3 root 2 18 square, and is already power is 5 by 4 is given, so 5 by 5 4 power and is a square. Okay, so meaning is both are base and is a value is same, so that's why it's a direct answer according to properties of 5 by 4 into 2. Now you see that n is answer is 1 and is a power is shifting to coefficient, so directly power is shifting to coefficient, so directly is a coefficient is answer according to. Next one question is, if you see that is given a log b is a base or 1080. So can you return that is a b is equal to given 1 by 5 power 1 by 6 or root 6 power is given. So now can you return in a 1080 in form of 5 and root 6 terms? Now you see that if you factorize 10580, so now is the factor is 1080 is divided by 5, then is 216, and if you see that is a 216 is a 6 cube. So can you return the like this in this one? So meaning is if your 5 and 6 is given, so you can see that is 5 power 1 by 6 power 6. Yes or no? Written in this one, and same is root 6 power 6 in this one, because it's a 6 cube and 6 cube is easily written the root 6 power 6. So can you see that is converted in a 5 power 1 by 6 and root 6 power whole power 6 both. So meaning is your b is this one is also converted in this form and is a square root is given, so 6 by 2 totally. So now you see that is a, and this one is also given is a written that is a 1 by 6 or root 6 power minus 1 in this one. So can you see that is 5 power 1 by 6 in root 6 power minus 1, and see the 1080 is also 5 power 1 by 6 and root 6 power whole power. 1 is a 6 or is a 1 by 2 power is in this side, so x power 6 by 2, because 6 is already given and roots is that's why is a 6 by 2. So now you see that is according to property n power a m power b is equal to a by b log n base m, and is both are same in this question n or m, so that the meaning is answer is 1. So meaning is if you see that is a 6 by 2 and is a minus 1 and log 5 power 1 by 6 and root 6, and same is a 5 power 1 by 6 root 6. So meaning both are same, so meaning this one is a directly 1. So remaining is 6 by 2, that is meaning is minus 3. So your final question is convert, and this one is also in the first one is 5 by 2. So meaning is your question is convert, after that is two equation is meaning is 3x plus 2y 3x plus 2y is equal to first is a 5 by 2, Second one is x 2x minus y, 2x minus y is equal to minus 3. And now he's asking the 4x plus 5y in this question. So after that is only just linear type question is remaining. Now you see, if you multiply by 2 in this one, your target is this one, so that's why see, if you multiply this one, now you see that if you multiply, then is 6x plus 4y is equal to 5, and then is 2x minus y is equal to minus 3. After that directly subtracted, because if you subtracted, then is 2x minus 5, I think. So if you subtracted, then is a 4x, subtracted then is 5y, and subtracted then is 8. So now is 4x plus 5y is equal to 8. Final answer in this question. So measure is in this question, measure problem and measure solution is how to deal the this one or this one. Measurely is a this one and this one log, because this all question is dependent on the log situation. If you're possible to solve the log, then easily after that find the quadratic. Okay. Now we will discuss the second question. Second question is JEE-1 2022 question. And based on the all R is a log. Now you see that is a expression is given. So I will return that is the expression. See, x power 16 and is a log x and is a base is 5, whole power 3 is given, is a whole power, not with the x power, whole power 3. After that is given in the same is a 68 subtracted and is log x to be the 5 and is equal to given 5 power minus 16. So according to me, can you return that is log x on 5 is equal to, can you assume that is a k firstly? Okay, so if you assume, then is c 16 k cube minus 68 k is equal to 5 power minus 16. After that, if you solve, if you're possible to take the log both side and use the base 5. If you see that, if you take the log both side and 5 is a base, so now we see that is a powers is shifting firstly 68k, and after that is log same base 5 and base minus 16. After that is see that is power shifting to coefficient, so 16 k cube minus 68k and is remaining x 5. Okay, and same in this one minus 16 log 5 base is 5. Now you see that this one is 1 and this one is a k, right? So if you put that value, now see 16 k cube minus 68k whole bracket, so whole r is a 1 power, that is after that is k is equal to minus 16. If you multiply, then k is a 16k power 4 minus 68k square, and 16 also shifting, then is, so see that is a convert in a quadratic equation in a k square terms. So now you see that 16 into 16 is 256, and 256 convert in the two parts now is 68, so meaning is 64 into 2. So in this case, if you convert, then is 68, then when is 64k square minus 4k square is a 4k square plus 16 is equal to 0. So now is 16 is common, k square is common, so remaining is k square minus 16 minus 4 only, because 16 is common, and in this case 4 is common minus, so k square minus 4, so is a 2 factor k square minus 4, and second factor is 16k square minus 4. Is a meaning is k square value is, first one is a 4, second one is k square is equal to 4 by 16, meaning is 1 by 4. Is a meaning is k value is plus minus 2 and k value is plus minus 1 by 2. And now in a starting, if you put, then c is put the k, so this one. So now is a meaning is your question is convert, see, log x 5 is equal to k, so meaning is k log x 5 is equal to, first is plus minus 2, second is log x 5 is equal to plus minus 1 by 2, meaning is x is equal to, if you're shifting to this side, then is power 2, and x is equal to power minus 2. Same is x is equal to power minus 1 by 2 or x is equal to power 1 by 2. Both the case is possible. After that, see that is product of all the real values of x. So easily product. So there is the four values x1, x2, x3 and x4. So product x1, x2, x3 and x4. Product now is a 5 square, 5 power minus 2, 5 power minus 1 by 2 and 5 power 1 by 2. So if your product is cancel out, cancel, cancel, product is 1. So now is the meaning is your answer is product of this question is 1. Now this one is also good question based on same is the log properties. JEE Mains is not be asking the easy type and always is a target to some lengthy problems, but is if I think is easy compared to other. Now is to discuss the next question. Now question is given value, find the value of is a one expression is given in terms of log. Now you see that is a log. If you see that in a property, can you multiply both are the power? So is the meaning is a power m power n. So meaning is in the both 2 and this one is multiplied, so meaning is directly mn is possible. So according to this property, I'll just multiply, meaning is log 9 base 2 and is a whole power 2 by log 2 and is log 2 9. Okay, same in this case. In this case, if you see that 7 power 1 by 2, so 1 by 2 and is multiplied by 1 by log 4 7. Okay, if you see that is a log 4 7, be careful. Now you see 7 and is a 2 power 2. So meaning is, can you return 7 power 1 by 2? You just skip the firstly 7. I'll just return that is 1 by 2 and is this one is log 2 square and is a 7. 2 square is shifted to this side. So now you see after that is 1 by 2 1 upon log and is a 2 power is a 1 by 2 shift according to property. Now see 2 and 2 is cancel out, only log 7 is remaining. And if I see that and its base is 2, so log is 7 is remaining. So can you return in a 1 upon something? So meaning is convert to 7 according to property. So is the meaning is 7 power log 2 and base is 7. So this one is also 2 according to property. How is the property is a, base a and b directly is a b. So meaning is in this case total answer is only 2. So I will just after that is you just push the pause the video and see. Let's rub this solution is only the answer is 2. So in this case answer is 2. Okay, and after that is left side is given. So left side is also see, can you return that 1 upon something? So meaning is like 9 and 2. If you're convert in this one, I'll just use this one only. Firstly this part, see that 2 upon given log 9 base. So can you return the like this one 2 and is a log 9 base 2 this one. See log b a is, can you convert in log a by b? Same is this problem is used in this property. So after that you see that 2 is shifting to this side. So now is meaning is log 2 power 2 and is a log 9 base 2. And after that you see that if it b power same log b and is a is given, so meaning is directly answer is a. So in this case see now if you apply this one, then is see log 9 base 2 and is a whole power. Now you see log 9 2 and is a 2 power 2. So meaning is if you see that this part is a 2, this whole part is b and b also in a base this one. So meaning is your question is directly answer is 2 power 2 is the meaning is 4. So 4 in this case, this one is 4 and this one is 2. So your final answer is 4 into 2, answer is 8. 4 is this, left side is a 4 and right side is a 2. So answer is 8. So I think this one is also easy, but it's a based on the all lots of properties. So if you solve the advanced question, so before that you just go to the playlist and firstly watch the logarithm video, and it's based on the identity some questions. So firstly watch this one, after this now come and see these question, solve this question. Okay, now is the fourth question. Fourth question is basically dependent on the all in this part. In this part now you see this given, so can you put the y this part? So y is equal to given 3 root 3, and if you see that if you deal the this type of question in infinite form, so now is again is a y, this part is again is y, now you see then is again is the same uh, cycle repeated. If you're squaring both sides, then is y square, and 3 root 2 is shifting to this side, and 3 root 2 is square is 80, now is 4 minus y. And if you solve the quadratic equation, 18y square plus y minus 4 is equal to 0. Now 1680 into 4 is a 72, and 72 there is a two part, then it's 8 or 9, so meaning is 18y square plus 9y minus 8y minus 4 is equal to 0. Now is 9 is common and y is a common, so remaining is 2y plus 1. And in this case if 8 is common, sorry 4 is common only, 4 is common, so now is 2y plus 1. In the meaning is 2y plus 1 is a one factor, and 9y minus 4 is equal to another factor. Okay, so meaning is that there are two factors. This one is not be possible because not negative is not be the square root values. So this one is y is equal to 4 by 9. Now you see that in the meaning is a totally part is y, so meaning is your question is convert, your question is convert in a C 6 plus log 3 by 2, and is a 9 by 4, 4 by 9, sorry 4 by 9. So in this case if it base in power is not be shown, so firstly you can convert, then see log 4 by 9, now just only 4 by 9, so can you 4 by 9 is represent the 2 by 3 whole square, and the same is a 3 by 2 power minus 1, if it's possible you see that is easy, minus 2 sorry power. So meaning is if you're in a log is a 3 by 2 power minus 2, and is a 3 by 2, why is convert? Because base is value is same, so that's why minus 2 is shifting to this side. So if you're minus 2 shifting to this side, then now see log 3 by 2 and is a 3 by 2, and is this one is a 1 directly, so this one is 1, so meaning is your question is only 6 minus 2 is equal to 4 answer. So this one is also easy. I think is a 2012 is a very old question in advance, so advance is not be asking this type of question in present time. Is a very basic, maybe in a JEE mains, and JEE mains after is a possibilities, otherwise it not be. So if you're maybe is a benefit for beneficial for you, so go to the playlist, firstly watch the basic mathematics, all our question is available, and these basic concept is all available in a playlist. After that is solve these questions. Okay, thank you so much.
For more detail, go to the playlist and watch the basic mathematics all chapters, and like and subscribe this channel